Example 2, you have 3 over p plus 6 minus 2 equals 7 over p plus 6. Let's find the LCD first. Working on this equation, note that both denominators are the same, p plus 6. So what's our LCD here? It's simply p plus 6. Okay. We use that to clear our denominators. So we multiply both sides by p plus 6. That's p plus 6 is also times p plus 6. By distributive property, we multiply p plus 6 to each of your term here. Left side, we have 3 over p plus 6 minus 2. So we distribute that p plus 6. So what's the first expression on your left? You have p plus 6 times the first expression on the left, which is 3 over p plus 6. All right. Next term. Next is your minus. Minus your p plus 6 minus your p plus 6 times your 2. And that's equal to still the same 7 times, over p plus 6 times your p plus 6. Should change the color for your p plus 6 so we can recognize our equation now. Let me change this to red. And we can do cancellation now. We could cancel p plus 6 here. So we are clear with denominators. Let's write what we have left. What are we left with? We are left with 3. Okay, we are left with 3 minus. Okay, we can. All right, yes, let me just write here. P plus 6 times 2. Now we are left with 7 on the right. By distributive property, we have 3 minus, okay, let's multiply this. P times 2. It's 2p. But don't forget to enclose this with your parentheses. Still parentheses there. P times 2 is 2p. And 6 times 2, you have 12. It's still enclosed with parentheses. Because that's minus. And what will happen to your signs? Inside your parentheses, you have 3. Your 2p now becomes negative 2p. And your 12 becomes negative 12 equals 7. Combining like terms on your left side. We have negative 2p first. Let's try to write that first. Negative 2p. What's next to negative 2p? We have like terms. Your 3 minus 12. So we can put that there. That is plus 3 minus 12 equals 7. Or you can subtract it right away. What's 3 minus 12? What's 3 minus 12? That's negative 9 equals 7. Our equation simplifies to a linear equation and it's easier to solve that, right? So we have a p, which is unknown. We isolate that by getting rid of this constant term first, negative 9. So we make that 0. This is now plus 9 plus 9. Therefore, what do we have? Bring down negative 2p. This is 0. 7 plus 9. You have 16. Divide both members of your equation by negative 2. We divide out negative 2. Now we only have p on the left side. 16 divided by negative 2. We have negative 8. So your p is equal to negative 8. Let us check if this is a solution or not. Let's check our denominator. What are we avoiding? We are avoiding a denominator that is 0. Because if your denominator is 0, the equation or each side of the equation becomes undefined. And that means that that value is not a solution. So let's check negative 8. Okay, so let me do that. This p plus 6 here, If your P is -8, what happens is what? -8 plus 6. What is -8 plus 6? -2 is not 0. So is it a solution? If it's not 0, it is a solution. Therefore, our solution set here, is the set with only one element, -8. So -8 is a solution. And there's only one solution to this equation, and that's just -8.